अच्छा किया। नॉर्मली मतलब लोगों को अवेयर नहीं होते ऐसे काउंसलिंग सेशंस के बारे में, तो कंपनी ने ये इनिशिएटिव लिया कि मतलब एम्प्लॉयर्स के लिए ये सेशन अरेंज हो। तो हाँ, मतलब एक अच्छा स्टेप था स्पॉन्सर करने का।
And Tata Chemicals is giving this opportunity to all employees free of cost. It is a very good initiatives taken by Tata Chemicals. I would like to really thank you to them.
Would thank them because I didn't know, means I was clear that I want to become doctor, but if in future due to grade issues, if I could not pursue medical science as my future, then I have next options to me.
I had my thoughts about having my career in the field of space science, but I was not very specific about that. Like, which is the specific career I want to choose, or what are the specific exams that we have to go through.
Right now the age is like that, they will definitely be confused because there are many careers, many opportunities are there. Right now the industry level and all that, this digitization and all that is going very fast, so they have many options.
By answering that questions, I got to know myself better, and anything which I don't like or which I would like in future, that I knew from that psychometric test.
And the psychometric test also, we saw the results and all. We felt, yeah, it is a very scientific way, nice way of kind of assessing, or based on that, whatever help a student can get. So I was really happy that this kind of program was kind of arranged for him.
अच्छा गाइडेंस मिला, मतलब जो पाथ है वो और स्ट्रांग हो गया। तो हम मतलब है कि मतलब मैं अभी जो मैंने चूज किया था करियर, तो उसके बारे में और भी इंफॉर्मेशन मिली। काउंसलर अच्छे थे, वो मतलब अच्छा गाइड किया उन्होंने। तो हम मतलब पहली बार ही मतलब काउंसलिंग सेशन हुआ था मेरा, तो ऐसा पहले नहीं हुआ था। तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मैं गाइड हो रहा हूँ किसी से।
I was completely comfortable, and it was a productive discussion.
For every parent, this is an area of ambiguity. This is an area of what is a concern below. We all are very not sure of where we should head or what is the right path. So guidance in this particular direction is very helpful.
It is very nice of the management to give this opportunity to the students. It is really helpful for the students to get the knowledge about their career options and take the psychometric assessment test. It is really helpful.
करने आगे जो करना है, केवल एक लिमिटेड नॉलेज रहता है कि भाई मुझे, कोई बोलता है मुझे साइंटिस्ट बनना है या कुछ है, तो साइंटिस्ट में भी ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही ऐसा लिमिटेशन। तो जैसा ये करियर काउंसलिंग में क्वेश्चन उस तरह से क्राइटेरिया से बनाए जाते हैं कि आपका वो व्यूज क्लियर हो जाता है कि आपको एक्चुअली पाथ मिल जाता है उसमें से। ये अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है आगे करियर एंड तक काउंसलिंग, मतलब जब तक करियर आपके हाथ में नहीं आता तब तक आप काउंसलिंग करेंगे और उसका फाइनल भविष्य जो है वो आप तैयार करके रखेंगे, ये बेस्ट है।
मतलब उन्होंने जो क्वेश्चंस दिए वो मीन्स अपने पर्सनल के बारे में थे, और उन्होंने जो रिजल्ट निकाला वो था एक्यूरेट।